So welcome to Madlux VFX. You all know that technology and innovation is the future and learning is the best thing to adapt. I want to thank all of you for the support you are giving for this channel. Appreciate that. There are many ways you can use Madlux VFX to stay updated. Today's video is all about that, so stay tight. Here we have the official Madlux VFX YouTube channel and you can see the latest videos, playlist, popular uploads and much more. Over here, the video tab, there are lots of videos including tutorials, podcast, Q&A videos and many such things. If you head over to the playlist tab, you can see the organized section of our videos as software basis and general info also. Over here in community tab, you can see the latest posts and polls and announcements also. Here is the update of Discord server which I posted recently. By the way, did you join this server? So this is all about the YouTube channel. Along with this, we have some social media handles. Come on, let's go there. Okay, this is the official Madlux VFX Facebook page where I share a lot of news, articles, memes, tutorials and all such kind of informations. You can see if we scroll, there are lots of updates. So stay updated about the latest things by liking and following this FB page. Jumping into the Instagram handle of Madlux VFX here, small tidbits of knowledge and info with images. Please share these images to your colleagues and sometimes put this as your Instagram and WhatsApp status also. Just kidding guys. Okay, one more important update. So we have enabled the join button in Madlux VFX. Click on this join button and it will show you two tiers or two ways to support Madlux VFX. True supporter and true sponsor. There are some perks also for this support, like your name will be awarded with a badge and the color of the badge will vary with the validity of your support. There are some custom emojis also. True sponsor will have members only poll which I will ask you as a community post. Nothing big here, but just need some appreciation for my work. This is not at all compulsory for anyone. I will give back this income in form of content through my channel, that is for sure. The last and latest is the Discord server which we launched a couple of days back. You can see the list of members joined here. Thank you every one of you for being part of this community. There are so many rooms here. Here we have the rules. If you are joining, please read this and try to follow for creating a healthy community. You can see the Discord link here. Kindly share this with your colleagues to join. General room is for any kind of discussion where anyone can ask doubts or suggestions. Shaxan, thanks Namachane for commenting. Giving a thumbs up for this one. You can see the reply to Gaurav's query here. So make use of this room everyone. Next is the room for specific topics related to the softwares like Foundry Nuke, Silhouette, Mocha Pro. We have daily updates where I post regular updates, tutorials, discussions, all in video formats. Will seriously help you if you follow this room regularly. This is specifically for my video, a space where you can refer my videos. One room for memes. Are you stressed out? Watch here. If you find anything interesting, please post it here. Unknowingly or unconsciously, we will make someone smile. Okay, this room is specifically for news related to VFX and animation industry. Kindly help me by posting links of major news articles. We all need to stay updated, right? This room is where you can post showreel links of yourself and you can get reviews and comments from your fellow colleagues. It will help you to improve. Last room is for announcements from Madlux VFX. Make use of this Discord server and interact with each other. We will grow as a community by learning. You can find the links of all this in the description of the video. So this is a space where all my supporters and sponsors will get a shout out. See you soon with another tutorial. Bye bye.